For over 35 years, the trucking industry has relied on Key Polymer transportation products. Formulated to stand up to the constant wear and tear of hauling freight, every Key transportation product is engineered for optimal performance and appearance. As you're about to hear from colleagues in this industry, Key transportation products are good for trailers, good for customers, and good for your bottom line. Gary Thompson, owner of Windwars Express, a highly regarded hauler in the Northeast, has this to say about how protecting every new trailer with Floor Restore extends the life and profitability of his fleet.
This trailer was purchased in 2003, and as all our new trailers, we apply the Floor Restore to it before it's put into duty. We haul a lot of medical, and having a clean floor like this that can be washed, can be swept out, it's paramount. We've had a lot of responses how nice the floors are, how well kept they are, how clean they are, how they look like a bowling alley, and it stands up. It's at 14 years, you can see the floor is in excellent condition.
Chris Finch, Director of Sales at Central Trailer in Iowa, has a great story about how applying Floor Restore to 3 new trailers helped him to sell 27 more units.
We don't get a lot of feedback from our customers other than repeat buys. And apparently this most recent customer that has taken, I'm going to say 30 trailers, and the first 2 or 3 that we put the Floor Restore kits on probably were the clincher for the remaining 27.
Ed Gaynor of Rapture Trailer in Philadelphia is a strong believer in the benefit of applying Floor Restore to new trailers.
We have no repairs that develop when we've started using the Floor Restore onto new floors. So our life, we can see, is extended tremendously.
Gary Devines, group leader at Swift Transportation's Lewis facility in Phoenix, oversees an ongoing refurbishment program, bringing 125 trailers a month back to new condition. Key crack filler figures in many of these repairs.
In 2016, we averaged 125 trailers a month. These floors do come in some cases. You have delamination, you have holes in them, you have nails. All these items can be repaired, and then you simply fill in the gouges with the Key crack filler, and then you reseal it with the Key Floor Restore. It saves the floor and it seals the floor.
More than 1 million trailers have been permanently protected and repaired with Key transportation products, at a tenth of cost of floor replacement. Another Key transportation product, QP300 Quick Patch, has been specifically engineered to repair gouges in the FRP sidewalls of refrigerated trailers and straight rigs. Scott Ritchie, maintenance foreman at Utility Trailer in Birmingham, Alabama, has this to say about the effectiveness of QP300.
So the biggest thing is with the cold temperatures, most stuff won't stay. It's brittle and it'll break off, but the QP300 product, stays in those cracks and in the holes, and therefore, you've got a permanent repair.
So hear it now from your colleagues in the trailer refurbishment industry. Key transportation products excel because they are engineered to stand up to the hard-working conditions of freight transportation.
I would highly recommend Key Polymer Floor Restore and their crack filler to everybody that's out there, whether they're dealers or end users.
I absolutely recommend it for new application, old application.
It's all pluses. Floor Restore has pleased me so much, and I had such great results with it. Such a value to our customers that, it's a hard thing not to offer.
There is excellent profitability generated by this product. It takes a short period of time to do it.
You got to try it to really understand that these people came up with a great product. I'm sold on it.
Key transportation products, the tough, economical solution to protecting, strengthening, and repairing wooden floors of dry vans and FRP sidewalls of refrigerated trailers. To locate your nearest dealer, or if you have questions, please call 978-683-9411 or email us at sales@keypolymer.com. For complete details on all Key Polymer products, visit keytransportationproducts.com.